Howdy, y'all. I got a new toy. This has been at Costco. I've been eyeing it for at least a year or two, maybe two. They had it on sale today, so I had to get it. It's 20 bucks off. It's a cat professional power station. It's a big charger. It's not like the nice new solar rechargeable. This is a heavy old-fashioned car battery with a box around it. Not this box, the inner box. Duh. Let's see. Jump starter. USB power button. There's 4 USB slots. A regular power button. Built-in area light. Who cares? USB. 120 volt AC outlet. That's the regular compressor. That's one of the reasons I wanted it. So it's a jump starter. It's an air compressor, so I can air up my tires, and which is always handy. 200 watt household power, so I don't think I'll be running power tools off of it, but I can run my computer or a fan if I'm camping or whatever. And yeah, let's see what the box looks like. The air compressor was one of the selling points for me. Oh, I don't have to cut that. Or do I? Maybe I do. Let go, let go. Being able to jump start the car, my motorcycle, and air up the tires is a selling point for sure. I think I just voided the warranty by peeling off the sticker. So let's see what's in the black. We got this big old thing. We don't need no stinking directions. So, peacocks have been on the picnic too. Oh, got this pretty face, jumper cables, buttons. Oh boy. I got a new toy. I got a plug. I'm gonna guess this is to charge it, maybe. I'm hoping I can recharge it. It's on and the battery is full. All right. I didn't bring anything to charge. So there's a needle right here, so I can blow up my basketball or my football. And okay, the air compressor holds a little small hose. It's a little small, and the cables are a little short, but that's okay, I guess. Turn on the AC power. Right there's your digital something or other display. Ready to jump start. Oh, LED lights work. Got a button to turn your USB on and off. 6.2 amp USB. Hopefully I don't have to jump start a vehicle at any point in the near future to test that function. Uh, what do you think, Raja? Do you need a jump start? You don't need a jump start. This looks like a good unit. Costco usually is okay with stuff like this. Don't show your butt to the internet. Nobody wants to see that. I presume I can charge it somewhere. Somehow, oh, here we go. There's a thing on the side here. Yeah. That I can't open. But presumably this is where it plugs in. Yeah, there's a picture on the box. This opens up and somehow, some way, so I can plug it in. Like I said, cat ain't what it used to be, but it's still cat. And Costco's still Costco. You can get some really good bargains on stuff like this, and I'm going to assume this is going to be high quality, and it's a very rugged case. Can stick it in our camping gear, and be handy if I could strap it to the back of the motorcycle, because a couple times I've been in the middle of nowhere with no phone signal when it's damp out and the motorcycle won't start, and that's no fun. I did get one of the little portable chargers, but hopefully that will work if I need it. That's it. I did get one of the solar charging stations, one of the generic ones off Amazon a couple of years ago, and it was a dud. It worked great for a few months and then it died. So I'm hoping this doesn't have the recharging cycles that a lithium battery has. But oh, you okay, Raja? Did you swallow a butterfly? Do you need a charge? No? Okay. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. And we'll see you next time. Bye!